Happy Thursday. I am calling it a win today because nobody else in my family woke up sick in the middle of the night. My now 10-year-old has the flu. She got the stomach flu the day after her birthday, unfortunately. So I'm basically just going to be crossing my fingers and praying a lot the next week that nobody else gets it. She is just quarantined to her bedroom right now. Fun stuff. Everybody says that the stomach flu spreads like rapid fire, but we have had really good success in our family. Like when someone gets sick, if we immediately quarantine them and deep clean the whole house, we have had really luck with nobody else getting it, or maybe one other person will get it. It seems to really help. Yeah, I don't know. We haven't been sick for a long time, but when my kids are sick, a lot of times it doesn't even spread to anybody else because they're just quarantined to their bedrooms right away. So, time will tell. I'll keep you guys updated. A lot of people have said apple juice. I was going to put in a grocery delivery order or not apple juice, grape juice. So we're going to try that this morning. I am putting together these little car wash things. I think a couple of my older kids will be able to cut this out themselves, but most of my younger kids would just cut these all in the wrong places. But we're going to do a little car wash play thing today. These ones are supposed to be folded. I just wanted to get them all ready before. I have a couple kids that are here right now just watching cartoons. Because that's what we do in the mornings till 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, or sometimes it'll be 8:15 if I let them finish watching the cartoon that we're on or whatever. But then I switch to music, typically. And it's supposed to be really cold in Minnesota this next week, so I'm not really sure that I'm going to be able to get my kids outside this next week, which I'm really going to have to be on my A game coming up with activities to wear everybody out. Typically, I don't take the kids outside if the real feel is below 10 degrees. Just personally, I don't find it worth it. See how cute this is? They can drive their cars to their little car wash and it stands up. Whatever. Okay, and then they have some money so they can pay for their car wash. Anyway, it doesn't feel worth it to get so many little kids ready to go outside if it's below 10 degrees because they don't really enjoy it and they don't really last very long. So that is my personal cutoff. Anyway, it is my Friday today. I have tomorrow off because my son has a hockey tournament. So yeah, it's my Friday today. Excited about that. Hope everybody has a great weekend. And if you are also telling me you're sick, I hope that you get better really fast.